Good day mga ka-CRT. Welcome again to our channel. This is to continue our Datacom or COMS3 or Cisco Packet Tracer Lab activity. We are now in activity number 7. Title is Simple 1 or Wide Area Network with IPv4 Static Routing. Our objectives: to construct a simple wide area network, configure the router with static routing, and test the connectivity. We will begin with a blank page. So this is activity number 7, wide area network. So we need at least 2 local area network and to be connected with wide area network. So we need at least 2 computers or PC and a switch in each local area network and a router in each local area network. Then let us connect this. Okay. Then we will set the name of each network. So this is our local area network 1. And let's say the network address of this is 192.168.10.0/24. And the right side network is our local area network 2. We will set the network address this as 192.168.20.0/24. And the middle network is our wide area network. We will set the network address as 192.168.30.0/24. Okay, then check the entry and exit port of your router for router 0. So this is the entry port is G00. So let us label this as G000. Then this is the G001. For router 1, the entry and the exit port. So for this port, this is G00. And this is the G001. Okay. Next, let us now set the IP addresses of each computers. So for PC0, 192.168.10. Let's say this is .11. This is the IP address for this PC0. For PC1, 192.168.10.12. Then for the router ports, for G00 of router 0, we will set this as 192.168.10.1. And for this G001 of router 0, 192.168.10 or this is .30.1. So this is the .1 of the network 192.168.30. So we can change, by the way, the name of our switch and router. Let's say again, this is the Cavite switch. This is the Cavite router. Okay? Just for example. Then okay, this is Cavite switch. Next, for router 1, we will set this as Manila R. Manila router. Then this switch is Manila switch. Next, for LAN 2, this PC, the PC2, the address is 192.168.20. Let's say that 13. So we will set PC2.13. And the lower PC, 192.168.20. That 20 because that is the network address of local area network 2. Okay, next is that 14. So we have that 13 and that 14 in local area network 2. Next, let us assign the IP address for our Manila router. For G001, this belongs to the local area network 2. Therefore, the IP address of this is 192.168.20.1. Let's say that 1. Then for the G00 of Manila router, 192.168.30.2 because this belongs to wide area network and we already have that 1. This is the dot 1 and now this is dot 2. All right. So let us now configure our router. So this is the Cavite router. Let's go to CLI and then just press no or N, then enter. Enable ConFT and go to interface G0, 0, and 0. So the interface G0 IP address is, so let us put IP address. So we have IP add 192.168.10.1 for the G00 of the Cavite router. Space 255.255.255.0. That is the subnet mask. Then enter. No shutdown or no shut, enter. Then exit. Go to the interface G001 of Cavite router. Then apply IP address. IP add 192.168.30.1. That is the IP address of port G00 of this Cavite router. So this is the IP address 192.168.30.1. Then space, subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Then enter. No shutdown or no shut, then enter. So we already have the IP addresses, so we can now exit for the meantime and save your work. So to save your work, copy, run, st. Okay. So let's exit and type copy, run, st, enter. So That is how to save your configuration. You can also type do write. Sorry for that. ConfT do write. So you can also type do write in configuration mode to save your work. Okay? So again, if you're in configuration mode to save your work, do write. Okay, that's it. If you're in the privilege mode, so this is the privilege mode to save your work, copy run st. Okay. Let's go to the Manila router. Let's configure the Manila router. So just press no. Okay. Enable ConfT and interface G00 first. So the IP address of this Manila router port 0 is this 192.168.30.2. So IP address 192.168.30.2 space 255.255.255.0. Then no shot. So try to observe the color red in the connection. So there are color red in the connection. But after you type the no shutdown command, take note of some red turns green. Okay, so we already have the IP address for Manila router port 0. Let's go to port 1. So let's exit. Then interface G001 and IP address 192.168.20.1 space 255.255.255.0. Then no shot. Again, observe the red color in the connection. So after the command no shot, then enter, it will turn green. So meaning you configure the network or the connection properly. Then save your work. Let's exit. So if you're in configuration mode, to save your work, do write. Okay? Then exit, exit. Okay. So let us now go to each computers. Let's put the IP address. Okay, using static IP addressing. So for PC0, this is PC0 192.168.10.11 and press tab or go to the next box. The subnet mask is already or automatically generated. This is 255.255.255.0. Okay, for the default gateway of each computer must be the exit or the entry point for the router. So for LAN 1, this is the entry point. Okay? So 192.168.10.1. So that is the default gateway of local area network 1. Okay, so next, proceed to PC1, desktop, IP config. So let us put the IP address 192.168.10.12. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and default gateway 192.168, okay, .10.1. So that is the default gateway of local area network 1. So you can now check the connectivity within local area network 1. You can use this simple PDU icon. So click one PC, then click the other PC. The result as shown in the lower right is successful. You can also try the connectivity, check the connectivity between PC1 and the router. So the result is also successful. Let us now go to local area network 2. Click the PC, go to desktop, IP config. So PC2 IP address is 192.168.20.13. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and default gateway is the entry point of Manila router, port G01. So this is the default gateway of local area network 2. So let's put the default gateway 192.168.20.1. That is for PC2. For PC3, go to desktop, IP config, and the IP address is 192.168.20.14. Then the subnet mask and the default gateway is 192.168.20.1. So again, that is the entry point of Manila router, port G01. Okay, so we already have the IP addresses in our local area network 2. We can now check the connectivity using simple PDU icon. So click one PC and the other PC. The result is successful as shown below, lower right below. Another testing, PC3 to the router, Manila router. So another successful result. So let us now check the connectivity between local area network 1 and local area network 2. Let's delete first the result here. Okay, so let's check the connectivity. Okay, from PC0 to PC2. So the result is failed because we need to apply static routing or apply routing in every router. So we will go to each router and we will do static routing. Okay? So take note in static routing. So let's have a note here. Static routing for Cavite router. Okay? So first, you have to go to the configuration mode. Then you have to apply or you have to type IP route. Okay? Then, since you want to connect to the LAN 2 network, you have to type the network address of LAN 2. So that is 192.168.20.0 space the subnet mask of LAN 2. 255, 255, 255, and 0. Space the next hop from Cavite router to the next hop. So the next hop is the Manila router 192.168.30.2. So this is 192.168.30.2. Okay? So that is the static routing for Cavite router. So let's copy this. Then let's apply static routing in Manila router. So from Manila router, we want to connect to LAN 1. So our command is IP route 192.168.10.0. Then the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and the next hop to Manila router, which is Cavite router 192.168.30.1. So this is that one. Okay, so our node here will be used in configuring our router for the static routing. So let's go to Cavite router. Okay, then enable connect. Okay, then apply the command IP route 192.168.20.0 space 255.255.255.0 space 192.168.30.2. Then enter. Okay, that's it. So let's go to Manila router. Enable connect, then apply IP route. So IP route, this is our Manila router. IP route 192.168.10.0 space 255.255.0 space 192.168.30.1. Enter. So that's it. We already applied the static routing in each router. We are now ready to check the connectivity. So to check the connectivity, we will again use this simple mail PDU icon. So from PC0, go to the Cavite router. We have successful result. Again, from PC0 to Manila router. So the result is failed. That is for the first time. We will apply another testing. Okay, you can check this fast forward. So let us click again the simple PDU icon, then PC0, go to the Manila router. So the result now is successful. The first field is common. That is okay. So if you encounter failed status, that is okay. Just try another testing. Okay. So let's delete the result. Let's check again the connectivity from PC0. Now from PC2 of local area network 2. So the result is failed. So click this fast forward and check again the result. Or check again the connectivity. The result now is successful. So check another connectivity now from LAN to PC3 to PC1. Okay, that is the first testing. So let's try another PC3 to PC1. So the result now is successful. Next, PC2 to PC0, successful. PC3 to PC1, successful. Then PC1 to PC2, successful. Okay, so this is our activity number 7. We already accomplished all the needed objectives. Thank you for listening and watching this video lecture. See you in activity number 8.